It's a showdown that we're seeing now in the Bihar Assembly over the electoral roll revision, a protest that is being seen over the voter list revision. Nitish versus Tejasvi, heated war of words is what we are reporting on right now as is expected. MLA stage a dharna inside the assembly, speaker reprimands. There is no end to the chaos that is being seen in the Bihar Assembly. Series of reactions coming in. Let's take a listen.
ये नहीं होता। बैठ लो। अरे मैं ये क्या बोलती है बताइए अभी। क्षमा मंगवाइए। आप खेल प्रकट करवाइए नेता विरोधी दल। आप बैठिए। नेता विरोधी दल मेरा एक आग्रह होगा। नेता बैठ जाइए, बैठिए पहले, बैठिए ना, बैठिए। आप पहले बैठिए, और पहले बैठिए ना, आप बैठिए। आप पहले बैठिए। क्षमा मंगवाइए। आप खेल प्रकट करवाइए नेता विरोधी दल।
एसआईआर जो प्रक्रिया हो रही है, हमको इसका विरोध नहीं है। एसआईआर का विरोध नहीं करते, लेकिन जो प्रक्रिया, जो पारदर्शिता होनी चाहिए, ईमानदारी से निष्पक्ष होकर के चुनाव आयोग को काम करना चाहिए था, वो ये काम नहीं कर रही। इसका हम इस सदन में हम खंडन करते हैं और ये सच्चाई है महोदय।
आज का दिन पहले क्या है, सब लोगों को अपना अपना जो देता है तो उसी को ना सुनने का समय है। तो अरे सुनो ना पहले। पहले तो थे ना।
ये तरीका होगा तो नहीं होगा बोलने के लिए, किसी को नहीं दिया जाएगा।
अब बात ही बोल रहा है। अरे काहे के लिए बोल रहे हो? जब उम्र तुम्हारा कम था, तुम्हारे पिताजी 7 साल मंत्री थे और उसके बाद तुम्हारी माता 7 फिर मंत्री रही, आज तुम मुख्यमंत्री रहे। और उसके बाद क्या उस समय की स्थिति है? अगर चाहोगे तो पहले क्या था और उसके बाद से जब 20 साल हुआ, हम तो 9 महीना नहीं भी रहे, हमने दूसरे को दे दिया। और सारा का सारा बीच में 1.5 साल आप लोगों को भी किया, लेकिन आप लोग भी ठीक नहीं कर रहे थे तो छोड़ दिया। अब हम लोग जो साथ में रहे शुरू से, अब उन्हीं के साथ सब दिन रहेंगे।
Okay, remember the assembly is in session in the state of Bihar, which of course is poll bound, and that continues to be a political hot potato, with Nitish Kumar also asking questions of the opposition. The RJD is saying that they don't have a problem with this exercise. They don't have a problem with the electoral roll revision, but they have a problem with the way it is being done, and the rights of the voters is being snatched away is their contention. Rohit has more. Rohit, take us to the arguments that are being made by the RJD here, talking about how in principle they don't have opposition to the electoral roll revision, but the way it is being carried out.
Well, yes, Tejasvi Yadav once again raised the issue of SIR in the Bihar Assembly today, and was very critical the manner in which SIR is going on in the state. And that is when Tejasvi Yadav was raising questions about the SIR, that Nitish Kumar also intervened in the middle, and he again hit out at Tejasvi and over the law and order situation that was prevalent during 15 years of Lalu and Rabri rule in between 1990 to 2005. And he also said that Nitish Kumar in fact dismissed allegations that he has not done anything for the Muslim community. He said in the last 20 years he has done for the Muslims more than what RJD government could do in the 15 years of its tenure. So basically it was a verbal duel and a verbal spat that we saw in the assembly today, when Nitish Kumar and Tejasvi Yadav, they both hit out at each other. And then it was when this was going on between Tejasvi and Nitish that Bhai Birendra, an RJD MLA, used something, a very unparliamentary word, after which there was a lot of ruckus, and that was witnessed in the assembly. And the speaker asked Bhai Birendra to apologize for his comments, but Bhai Birendra was adamant. He said no, he will not apologize for his comments that he has made, and what he said was completely right. So this is what basically has happened. But on the issue of SIR for the third consecutive day. We are seeing that massive ruckus and chaos being witnessed both inside the Bihar Assembly and outside also.
All
Back to
right,
you.
I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. That is expected to continue given that the state is poll bound. The assembly session underway in the state of Bihar, and this is being raised by the opposition with the government issuing clarifications.